Make sure you use the right mayo for the job. Wilsey Hot Dippable Mayonnaise provides a strong emulsion even in hot applications like this spinach topping that is mixed while hot and baked on oysters to make a delicious oyster Rockefeller that won't break. Use the right mayo and get better results every time. Mayonnaise for your mayo needs. Make sure you use the right mayo for the job. Wilsey Hot Dippable Mayonnaise provides a strong emulsion even in hot applications. It is designed to withstand high heat, like this marinade for the salmon, that allows it to bake and brown beautifully without breaking. For this warm potato salad, the Wilsey Mixed and Bound provides less water loss and a stronger emulsion. Use the right mayo and get better results every time. Mayonnaise for your mayo needs. Use the right mayo for the job. Wilsey All-Purpose Mayonnaise is versatile and performs well in a wide range of applications. Here it is used to make the perfect scrambled eggs, inspired by Chef Jose Andres, to get the perfect texture and consistency every time. Mayonnaise for your mayo needs.